snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers are falling down. We stay up waiting for Santa tonight. He climbs down the chimney at the speed of light, while we're dancing around the Christmas tree, hugging and kissing, just you and me. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house.
Hello guys, well this is December the 26th. It's the day after Christmas, and if you know me, you know it is time to remove all of the Christmas decor. I do not let the Christmas decor come into the new year, January 1st. So that is how I was raised. You never bring your old year into your new year. So I am taking everything down, and I'm going to redo my living room. So I am definitely keeping the restoration hardware VeeHive. So I'm going to stop talking, put on some music, and let you watch.
I see you watching me when we're with our friends. It's definitely something in the air. So let's take it from there, 'cause I know you want it. Afraid to let it show, and I know you need it. Why don't we let it grow, grow, grow? I think it's time we stop tipping on our toes. What's holding you back now, sugar? 'Cause I don't know, sure know you want it. Afraid to let it show, and I know you need it. Why don't we let it grow? Why don't we let it, why don't we let it grow, 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 grow? It grows stronger forever. with our friends, there's definitely something in the air. So let's take it from there. So let's take it from there. Why don't we let it grow, 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 grow? And I know you need it. Why don't we let it grow? I know you want it. Afraid to let it sow. You need it, baby. Why don't we let it? Why don't we let it grow, 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 grow? Why don't we let it grow, 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 grow? Why don't we let it grow? Why don't we let it? Why don't we let it grow? Yeah. Ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da. Why you wanna let me go now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know now. 'Cause your love made me go blind. What am I hearing? Saying you're moving back. When were you gonna tell me that? What am I hearing? It feels like a heart attack. Someone help me catch my breath again. How did you stop loving me? How is that even possible? Possible? How could we let love go? How could we move on? Move on. Why you wanna let me go now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know now. 'Cause your love made me go blind. Why are you playing? We ain't got the time. Tell me now if you want out. What are you saying? Come on and spit it out. I'm about to lose my mind again. How did you stop loving me? How is that even possible? Possible? How could we let love go? How could we move on? Move on. Why you wanna let me go now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know now. 'Cause your love made me go blind. Why you wanna let me go now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know now. 'Cause your love made me go blind. Oh, na na na. Oh, na na na. For love or pity, let me know. 'Cause your love made me go blind. Why are you changing your mind? Na, we ain't got the time.
Walking on fire, trying not to burn my feet. I'm tired of fighting, saying things we don't mean. You know I don't like it when you're packing your bag and turning your back, calling me a liar.
calling me a liar, trying not to let my feelings get to me. Sometimes I can't let them go. So now I got these voices. Now I got these voices in my head, baby. I can focus. Feels like I've been hypnotized. I'm terrified of losing you. Touching your body, but feeling like I'm all alone. You don't seem to want me, even though you told me so. And baby, I wonder if we should just go separate ways. We could start over. We could start over. Trying not to let my feelings get to me. Sometimes I can't let them go. So now I got these voices. Now I got these voices in my head, baby. I can focus. Feels like I've been hypnotized. I'm terrified of losing you.
Come on over, let's pick up where we left off. You and I had lots of love just to top it off. We can wind and down for days, never let it stop. I just want your everything, baby. Maybe later we can dance, never let go. Listen to our favorite songs on the radio. Losing up and lose ourselves to this feeling, oh. I just want your everything, baby. I'll be deep under your influence tonight. Ooh, keep it coming, babe. I don't mind another round. Drinking from your bottle, baby. Calling it wasted love, wasted love. I can't get enough of my baby. I'ma be wasted love, wasted love. I'm spilling liquor on the carpet, on the couch. I feel it dripping from my mouth. Drinking from your bottle, baby. Calling it
keep it factual, you know you're maxing back. Look at the way they hold their chat. Honestly amazing, I want you on occasion. I can do you favors that I know you won't do for. Yeah, yeah. I know what you wanted, you got it gorgeous. You bet you're talking, it's talking me nice. Just ease it up.
I wasn't clear. No, it hurt you, but I still care. No, I miss you laying near. Did you wrong and it wasn't fair. If I could go back, then I would treat you better. If I could just change my words like in a letter. I did some things, but I wasn't clear. No, I did it wrong and you did it right. Yeah, that's what you said when you started the fight. We came to an end, I put up this fence. But do you really mean that this is the end? 1, 2, 3 years of silence. Then 4, 5, 6, still nothing. When my hair gets gray and I lose my shape, I'd still be missing you. Year by year, out of silence. No, I hope this is a phase that you were just dramatic, that we still could be good, that our love is elastic. I'll make this right if you give me a chance. Oh.
Hey guys, this is what my former living room is looking like right now. I still do have some more touches that I want to do. I got to bring my lamp back down with my black lampshade. I'm not sure what I'm going to put on this table. Also, I may move the chair over and move the table around. But on this side, I'm pretty much as a standstill. I do like it. I decided to bring my horse back down. That I've had this horse. I got it from Home Goods, and I've had it almost 4 years now. So I decided to visit different places to move things around. So my bustle was here, my upper torso, it was here. I now have it in my dining room, but that is not where it's going to stay. I just moved it because I wanted it out of the way and I did not want it broken. So that will be going to a completely new, different home. So guys, this is my Christmas tree taped down. And so guys, this is the first look of what my Christmas tree looked like down now after Christmas. This is a day after Christmas. So this is December the 26th. So this is what it's looking like right now. I absolutely love it. Even my daughter said, I'm so used to seeing the Christmas tree, it looks different now. But I'm liking it. I like open, clean spaces. That is what I like. And the color is absolutely what I love. I've already spoken. The next home, hopefully we have white walls. If not, we will be painting the walls white because I want snow white furniture. But anywhoosie, this is what it looks like now. Some more changes will be coming in here, and I will be giving you my winter reveal maybe the first week in January. So I will be giving you what my winter downstairs will look like, and also I will be doing my bedroom for the winter. So you know, the first day of winter was 5 days ago. So all Christmas is gone basically downstairs. I am now going to work in my breakfast room and kitchen. So stay tuned for tomorrow. You will see me take all of it off, and not sure what I'm going to do yet, but please like, comment, subscribe, thumbs up my video, guys. Share it out. And if you're new here to the VeeHive, welcome. I am Vondessa, and if you're oldie but yet definitely a goodie, hi. So guys, you know I always say at the end, oh, I gotta go, and I will be back. And until the next time, guys,